Hello and welcome to today's tech tutorial. Today we're going to walk you through how to set up those DTD2 tags inside of Command. In addition to that, we're also going to show you how to add a single contact to a particular tag, as well as how to add multiple contacts at one time to those DTD2 tags once you've created those. In order to do this, we've got to start from your Command dashboard. You'll log into agent.kw.com. Your dashboard will look like this. From your main dashboard, we're going to create those DTD2 tags first, so you'll go to Settings. Once inside Settings, on the left-hand side, you'll see that you can set up custom tags. Once inside the custom tags, you'll simply create a new tag by clicking the Create New Tag in the upper right-hand corner. Once the pop-up box appears, you'll simply type the name of your tag in the box. In this case, I'll write I and Q. If you'd like, you can choose a particular color for a tag. It's not necessary, and yet you can if you choose to. In this case, I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it white, and I'll click Create. Once I've done that, all of the tags that I have created are now going to be showing up in the system, and you'll see that I and Q now shows up. So now let's go back and add a selected contact to a particular group. To do so, you'll go back to Contacts. Once you're to your contact homepage, you'll simply select the contact that you'd like to update. So in this case, I'm going to click on Devin Quick. When I do that, you'll see that Devin's contact information shows up here. In order to make a change, I'm going to click on the little pencil on the upper right-hand corner of the left side, and that allows me to make any edits. I'm going to scroll down to Custom Tags, click on the Custom Tags, begin to type in the custom tag that I'm looking for. I typed in I, and you'll see that I and Q shows up. Click Save, and now Devin, you'll see, is actually tagged with I and Q. Now let's go back and walk through how you add multiple people at one time. In order to do that, we'll go back to our contacts. In this case, I'm going to add multiple people to my B and E. So you'll see Amber has a last name that begins with the letter B, as does Bill. So I'm going to click both of their names. Up at the top, you'll see where it says Select Bulk Action. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on Add Bulk Tags. I'm going to click on the custom tag. If you don't see the custom tag that you're looking for in this drop-down box, you'll simply begin to type in the tag that you're looking for and it will show up. In this case, I'm looking for B and E, and it does show up, so I'm going to click B and E. I'll click Submit. And now both Amber and Bill are in my B and E groups. Now let's walk through how you're going to use the system to help you pull those DTD2 groups each week as you're calling those groups. In order to do that, you're going to click on Filters. You're going to see over on the right-hand side, you can click on Custom Tags. So in this case, I'm going to look for my B and E group. So I'll click B and E, scroll down, click Apply, and you'll see that now Amber and Bill both show up. And it's as simple as that. As I'm actually making the calls through my DTD2 groups, I'm going to open each of those folks, and as I'm having conversations, I'm going to update my notes. And I'm going to do that by clicking on the notes on the right-hand side. I'll click on Add Note. When the pop-up box appears, you're going to title that particular note. It could be the date of your phone call. It could be the purpose behind your call. You know, what you title that is completely up to you. In the description, you may make some notes about your conversation so that the next time you reach out to those folks, you can recall the conversation that you had, or if there was an intended purpose behind your call, now the next time you call, you're not calling for the same purpose. So I would simply add what I wanted to add here and click Save. And it is as simple as that. That is tagging DTD2 style in Command, as well as bulk tagging, adding notes, and really using the system so that it is leverage for you and it's really powering you into making sure that you're making those DTD2 contacts each week, as well as updating the contact record. Happy tagging!